Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So what I have here tonight, I'm going to make my Sweet Baby Ray wings. Excuse me, I'll link that recipe. And so what I have here, I'm going to use some Bertolli extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of that. Just about all of it. Yeah, just about all of it. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to use my washed hands and just spread it out evenly on there. Y'all may hear my wash cycle is actually ended, but I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. Rub it in there, I'm sorry. I mean, now it's spinning, y'all. I'm sorry. But I got to get this started. It's getting late. Okay, so we did the olive oil. So now I'm going to use some of my favorite, my Tony seasoning. Sprinkle some of that on. And I use this in just about everything, y'all. I do. Okay. I am going to use some onion powder. I am going to use some black pepper. I am going to use some of this ranch seasoning that I got from Sam's. I think I paid like $8 for it. You know, instead of getting a little package, this is actually 16 ounces. So I guess it's equivalent to what? 16 packets? And I got it for 8 something. And I think the packets are like $1. So this is a savings to get it this way.
Put it in the dryer, just hang it up.
You can put it in the dryer for a little bit. Put it on the permanent press. You could just start it from where it is, I think. Okay, we're going to put some of that. And lastly, parsley flakes. I got this big thing from BJ's. And so I am going to sprinkle some of this on. And all we're going to do now is just mix it all up. Really good. Really, really, really good. Really good. Really, really, really good. Okay. Enough of that. But we're going to mix this up real good. And we're just going to place it in the oven and bake it on 350 for what? I don't know. I have to come back because honestly, I haven't fixed this before. So I'm going to come back. I could put a little cheese, but I'm not. I am not putting cheese today. And I think I'm going to put some paprika on it. I got a big thing of paprika too I got from BJ's. I got it for the holidays. Let me show y'all something else I got. I was really, 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 really elated to find this. Look at this big thing of nutmeg, y'all. You know the little small thing of nutmeg is like $4 or $5. I paid $9 for this. And so I have this for the next 2-3 Christmases. Yeah, I was so glad I found that. But I'm going to add a little paprika. Just for a little bit more color. It has enough seasonings on it. I tasted it. I don't want to put my hands back in it, honestly. I'm just going to... Alright, in the oven it goes. I do have some cheese, though. I don't think I'm putting it... I see. If I add some cheese, it's going to be later. But I'll let y'all know. And that's that for that. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. So here are my potatoes. And they're pretty tasty. I kind of wish I would have put a little butter on them. I make... well, I got some plant butter. I think I'm going to put a little on there. Alright, y'all. So I had to go in there with a little cheese. Just charge to the fat girl limit. But I put a little cheese in there. And they're pretty good. So I didn't do the butter. I just olive oil. Because I added the cheese, I opted out of the butter. So that's what it looks like.